So, today we're going to be making a quesadilla without a hoverboard. So, first ingredient, tortilla, cheese. Second ingredient, cheese. And that's not enough. Maybe that's a bit too much. I am lactose intolerant. But if you like spices, we recommend sriracha. Isn't that nice? So then you go smack, smack, smack. So it takes a while to cook. So let me just throw it in the microwave.
That's a nice bush. Very, very, very nice bush.
Oh, wait,
I wish I had a tree like that.
after I put it in the microwave. Don't forget the cold.
Now it's waiting. Now that we're waiting, give us a quick interview, Kyle.
Well,
What's your favorite color?
blue.
What's your favorite color?
Dragon?
Oh, that wasn't a color, but what's your favorite food?
Quesadillas.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna pretend like I'm a customer at your restaurant.
Okay.
Oh, it's ready. Okay. Okay. I'm expecting great looks and future. Oh, yes, that plant outside looks gloomy, but let's just give.
Okay, I get it.
Okay.
What? Oh yeah, that's there. Here's a quesadilla sauce.
I'm not sure, but why is this pizza?
It's a quesadilla because the tortilla turns into dough, and then the sriracha I think is the red sauce. Then the cheese.
Eat this. I need your verification.
I'll get a knife.
Cut it in half. Show for me and you the taste.
Kitchen scissors are the best. Don't worry, these are clean scissors.
I'm
holding on to the slice that I eat.
That's not what I meant, but okay.
That's like a quesadilla.
Yeah, it tastes quesadilla.
More pizza?
Thank you for showing us DIY.
It's quesadilla.
It's very good.